To utilize the Screencast app in ChromeOS, you must be using a Chromebook. This application is not available on the Waffle. So teachers, you will not have access to this application unless you are on a Chromebook. Your students can get to this application by going to the launcher. As soon as they hover over this icon on the taskbar, they will see the word launcher pop up. The other way to get to the launcher is by this key on the keyboard. Once I click on the launcher, I will see the apps that I have available to me. Your students will probably not have as many apps as I do, but they can look and scroll through their applications that they have available, and they will find this new one called Screencast. Once they click on Screencast, they will see 4 welcome icons that pop up. The welcome is going to tell you what the new app is. Tell your students when they click on these 4 getting started icons, it will start talking to them out loud, so they do need to have their earbuds in. There are transcript tools within this application, so they can put their work into a different language. There's also markup tools similar to the Cami app. And then lastly, they can create a video and then share it, similarly how they can share a document or a slide. Over here, they can click here to start their new screencast. This app is going to show up on their toolbar so that they can control what is happening with their device.